Welcome friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday and topic of today's video is on project management. So we are going to start with basics once again so that we build our fundamentals on each subject which I'm going to talk about in my videos and we can build on and advance in our career. Welcome once again, and we are going to look at the topic of what is project and what is project management. These two topics we are going to cover in this video. The projects are, will be and have been the drivers of change. Anything and everything which has happened in this world is only because of projects. The change in civilizations over the centuries has happened only because of projects. The projects are the key drivers of the change in our civilization, and that is very important to understand before we go ahead and know what are the definition of project and what is project management. So everyone who is associated with projects, everyone who wants to come into this stream of project management in whatever form it may be, this is the great field, because you become, as the project manager, as a project engineer, a change agent, and that is very important. That gives immense pride, to all of us. So let's look at more details about it. As I said, project is one idea that keeps us together, that gets all of us together, and we work in a more collaborative way to actually generate a product or service and an outcome of a project which is used by many stakeholders, many people after the project gets completed. So this is one idea, one concept which brings people together. People work collaboratively, and the outcome is beneficial to many stakeholders. So that's what it's mentioned here. The universal method of working and organizing is project. Everything you see on the screen is only the outcome of project. Each and everything which is there in the screen, a tall building, a small building, a port, a ship, anything what you see is the outcome of project. And that's what I said, take pride in what you do. People who wish to come to this stream, you will be part of this change in the world. The project work based is an engine which actually turns the idea into reality. As Robin Sharma says, everything happens twice in the world. One is here and second is reality. The reality only can be done through the projects. So whatever accomplishment which we have achieved, our forefathers and before they have achieved, is only through the projects. So it's an engine which turns idea into reality. I have picked up 7 projects over the centuries which I feel have changed the civilization, and let us see one by them. There could be many more. It's picked up randomly, but just to give you an idea what is projects. First is Great Wall of China. You can see what was the motive behind, what were the challenges they faced to make this project a successful project. Let us look at the second project, which is the pyramids in Egypt. Again, what a project. Our own Taj Mahal, Taj of India, is marvelous project. This Hagia Sophia Mosque in Turkey, the Colosseum in Italy. This was this city which was built long year ago, and this was the city, the Machu Picchu, which was built 2000 feet from the sea level on the mountain. All these projects have been constructed or built long ago, and you can see the magnanimity of this project. But there could be many more, So one of the projects is in front of you. The outcome of the project is the Kedarnath temple, standing tall in all kind of situations. So there could be many more, but I thought I'll just give you the flavor of what projects have been and how they affect us. How they can give us the learning for us who are project manager. What these mega projects matters us today. These were the remarkable creations by the craftsmen, the engineers, the architects. They have completed its project successfully. Today, we also are part of projects. The only thing which is constant or only thing which was the common thing for making a project success as they applied at that point of time the project management principles. For examples, the overseers had to manage so many workmen, so many people, motivate them to communicate them towards one goal of getting the project done. They also faced a lot of challenges of resources, of the complexity, of money, but only one thing which we should learn from this project, or the most important thing which I say we should learn from this project, is they focus on quality. That's why they still resist war, they still resist natural calamities. So this is one of the important things which I feel for us as a project manager. We must be able to build that legacy by building and focusing quality projects. Without the understanding of project management principles and processes, these projects would not have succeeded. Let us look at the projects of modern era. Man on the moon, the Netflix, the Alexas, the Google, some more, the Burj Khalifa, the Sand Marina Bay in Singapore, the Panama Canal, the space missions, our own project in of Adar. These are some of the great examples of projects which are done in modern era. So let us look at what is project. Project is not just a building or structure. Many of us who come from this segment of MEP or construction world, they feel that building a building or a structure is only projects. So what is PMI say? Project can be defined as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product or service. There are very key important words over here. Projects are different from operations. Operations are ongoing. Projects has a definite start date and definite end date. They have a limited duration, unlike operations. So what is project? Undertaking of task, delivering output, something useful for the stakeholder or people, or creating something. So these are important keywords, limited duration, unique. All these are keywords for definition of project. Temporary, it has a start date, it has an end date, and it has a limited duration. Unique because every aspect of the project is unique. The location may be unique, the structure might be unique, the people who are involved may be unique. Everything is unique to projects. So there is no similarity. If two projects are built, the location could be different, the people handling would be different, the application would be different. Projects are completed when the project's goal are achieved, and they are terminated when no longer viable. So they are terminated when they are no longer viable. So this is the definition of project. I'm sure you get a clarity on what is project. Projects are undertaken to create business value, right? Everyone who works at least in our industry, there's a business value attached to it. So why the projects are initiated? There are four important quadrants of project initiation. One is to meet regulatory or any legal requirement. The second is to satisfy this stakeholder. Suppose one gentleman wants to put an hospital. I, as an MEP engineer, will go and work on the project to satisfy the requirement of that hospital for that stakeholder. There could be an implementation of change in the business or technological things. There could be improving or fixing some of the issues with respect to the available product. These are four quadrants why the projects are initiated. We who are from MEP sector come in little different time into that project. So what is project management? Now project management is all about people management, resource management, scheduling, task management, cost. Project management is not firefighting. Project management is application of skills, tools, knowledge, techniques to project activities to meet project requirements. And project management starts from initiating and its end with closing. So initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling are the aspects of project management. You have to keep in mind that the project starts with specific goals, specific objectives. So they are initiated accordingly and they have to be closed accordingly. So project management is a wider spectrum. There is a myth that person who stands on site, on a construction site, is a project manager? He may not be, because he might be only looking at the construction activities, which is one of the aspects of executing in project management. Project management looks the overall aspects, the overall spectrum of the project. So this is what initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. These are 5 important aspects of project management. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Please subscribe me, follow me on YouTube. The link is here in front of you. The links are also in the description box. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on LinkedIn, and follow me on ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video. Subscribe the button, give your comments, and I will keep on improving. Thank you once again.